Hey everyone, let's make some cute reindeers for the holidays. I'm grabbing our reindeer wood cutouts and staining them with our black velvet Chalkology ink, which does a great smooth finish on these wood cutouts just using our black velvet. I'm grabbing a LED light pad, so this way we can easily line up our silk screens on top of the reindeers. This way you know you have it perfect every time. Now I will grab our candy apple chalk paste. I love this, very Christmas. And once I pull and reveal, I'm putting some of my favorite lava glitter all over that. This will instantly dry with the chalk paste, and then you just shake off the excess, and you're gonna put the rest of that glitter right back in the jar, so it doesn't take a lot, but oh my goodness, how beautiful and festive is that? Now we're gonna grab the black reindeer that we stained with our Chalkology ink. Make sure this is really dry because we are going to put another transfer on it. Grab our LED light pad, and we wanna fuzz this transfer because we just stain that surface, so we don't want to pull it out. Once again, this is a big trick on lining up your cutouts. This time I'm going to grab my Meadow Chalkology paste, put a nice thin layer on, remove the excess. This paste is creamy, dreamy formula, so it's perfect every time. Look at that. Now we're gonna dry that, and let's grab both the reindeers and show you how cute these are. I love the reindeer names on there, very festive and easy. We do have two different patterns for this year and two patterns from last year. You can get both reindeer cutouts. For all the links or more information, let us know down in the comments. I'm so excited for Christmas and spotting these guys in my yard. Bye everyone.